Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today, 26th October, Nifty is trading around 18,874 and you can see the price is moving. And this is what our expected price range to end this correction. We are talking this price from this level, that is 18,800 to 18,900 should end this correction, and the price has been reached our expected support zone. So what we may expect is, we already know that the correction will end if we have 5 internal waves in wave C. Okay, so this is A, B and C. The C wave should have 5 internals, then only we can assume that the correction has been ended. But by seeing this and the price character of this movement, we can decide that this is only wave 3. Okay, wave 1, wave 2 and extended wave 3. Okay, but okay, what we may expect is, assuming the wave 3 has been ended here, a wave 4 retracement and a wave 5 for end this correction. So this is what our expectation in Nifty. One hint is, this wave 2 is shallow, we discussed in previous video. So we may expect a deeper wave 4. Okay, deeper is 38% to 50%. That comes around 19,160 to 19,250. But one more practical hint or a practical tip is, if the fourth wave is much deeper than 50%, that is beyond 50%, the minimum level is 50 and beyond, and if the price goes beyond 50% to 61.8%, and if you see the 61.8% and this wave A low comes around 19,350 zone. If the fourth wave goes to that level, the next upcoming fifth wave will be mostly a double bottom scenario. Okay, this is not the guideline in Elliott wave. I've seen in many situations that whenever we get a deeper wave 4, that is not 38%, 50%, minimum is 50% and beyond, that is 50 to 61%. Okay, in that case, the next fifth wave will mostly end near to the wave 3. Okay, that is the situation of double bottom. Okay, assuming the price retracing to 19,350. Okay, I'm just for saying example. Okay, you can calculate the fifth wave starting from wave 1, assuming wave 3 and wave 5. You can see the 61.8 comes to 18,732 and this 50% comes to 18,850. That is the double bottom case. Okay, usually if you calculate the 50%, 61% moves much below the third wave low, but this is the scenario of double bottom. Okay, so expectation is the correction should end at 18,800 to 18,900. The price reached the destination and it is holding that level, but checking the internals of wave C, it looks like we have completed only wave 3. Wave 4 and 5 is pending. But the fifth also to end at this zone, we may expect a deeper 4. So this is an expectation move. Okay, and also we can learn. You can also check other charts also. Okay, a deeper wave 4. So this is one expectation in Nifty. Okay, in Bank Nifty, see, the retracement level is expected is 42,500, but the price closed below that level. So the next support is 41,585. But see the support point here, this low price action point. So 41,800. So maybe a fourth wave and the fifth wave may comes and end near 41,800. We already reached the end of the correction in Nifty, assuming Bank Nifty also reached the end of the correction. So but checking the internals, we are in we are completing only third, so fourth and 5 is due. So this 4 and 5 may, so after a 4 and the 5 may end near 41,800, worst case 41,600. So the fourth wave may expect, the fourth wave may retrace to 43,000 initially, because the wave 2 is deeper here, not like Nifty. So we may expect a shallow correction of approximately 43,000 and final wave 5 to 41,800, worst case 41,600. So this is the expectation now. And I do want to share one thing. While analyzing the TCS, so this is what the expectation now, wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4 and a 5, and irregular, a flat A, B, C. So I thought the correction has been over here, but this move is not impulsive. So I marked it as ABC, which is an X wave. So this is W, X and Y, which may lead to a new low of, this low of 2,900 approximately. So if this to happen, Nifty should come much lower from this point. So expecting TCS to end this correction here, but still this much move is pending in TCS, but Nifty already reached the expected correction. I'm doubting that we need to change the count either in TCS or in Nifty. Okay. And also, if you see in HDFC Bank, the price is holding 61.8% of this move. This can be ABC. The correction has been over at this point, and we can take a bullish view if it is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in case of a leading diagonal. Okay, this is the only case now. If it is leading diagonal, the market may move high and supports Nifty, everything. But if it is not leading diagonal, okay, and this level not holds, that is 1,450 levels not supported, we may expect a correction to 1,360 and eventually 1,270. Because of this reason, this is not impulsive. But if TCS and HDFC needs to comes down, and Nifty and Bank Nifty will not support at this point. So I have, okay, if time permits, I will analyze the top 10 weightage of Nifty stocks, like this HDFC, TCS, ITC, Reliance. So we'll get that picture of the 10 stocks, and we can analyze the Nifty so that it'll give a meaningful view. Okay, so as of now, the bullish view is still intact. That is 18,800 to 900 will support, and the price may move higher. If HDFC and TCS needs to comes down, I don't know, Nifty and Bank Nifty will hold this level. So we need to change count if this level not holds in HDFC, and we need to check the TCS also. Actually, by seeing a longer term Nifty count, so this is the expectation. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and A, B, C, D, E. Okay, in Nifty, if it is bullish view, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the wave 1 and a shallow wave 2, and a wave 3 has been started. Okay. This is what the earlier assumption until this move. But while checking this price action, we are expecting a wave 3. Okay. The wave 3, it always will be straight and steep. Okay. But it does not have that character of wave 3, right? It is moving mostly sideways and slow. So because of that reason, I changed this count to this count. That is 1, 2, 3 and a 4, and it can be A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So 18,800, 900 levels should hold, and the price may move much higher in Nifty that is expecting is 20,600 to 21,000 odd levels. Worst case scenario, maybe Nifty may reach 18,500. During this time, the TCS and HDFC may come somewhat lower to hold all this bullish view. Okay, I'm not talking about the bearish view. I'm still holding this bullish view. I better study the other 10 stocks, Nifty high weightage 10 stocks, and we may come to a conclusion. But as of now, still I hold this bullish view. When to give up this bullish view is if the price not support this level, 18,500. Okay, this is a trend line supporting here and also a 50% move of this. Yes, possibly 61 also reachable in ending pattern. Ending diagonal, yes, the 61% of 18,100 also valid only. So we need to watch this level. Okay, that is if the price not stops and keeps on correcting. Okay, I don't have that bearish view now. Don't think like that. I don't have this bearish view now. If the price not stops at that level, we need to think other probabilities, right? So that is why I was throwing some informations based on Elliott wave. So 18,500 is the worst case, the price stops and move higher. During that time, the HDFC, TCS and other stock we will study later in this week, and we assume those stocks also settle. Okay, so if the price does not stop, we need to importantly watch this level, 18,500 and 18,100 worst case. If these two levels give up, we need to take a bearish structure that is a wild guess only. For example, the 2 still not completed and the 2 may be an irregular correction. Okay, this is wild guess as of now. But before that, we need a lot of supports. We have a lot of supports. Okay, I'm not talking about the bearish structure now. I'm giving some information. If the correction does not stops at the expected level, we may think in this way. So as of now, we are still hold the bullish level. The price mostly end at our initial support of 18,800 and 900 and moves higher. Okay, this is what the update for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And again, don't take it as trade recommendations, please. Okay. And one more thing and one more important update I want to say that I want to communicate that if I put daily videos on market update, it will become like one another channel of having a market update. My intention of starting this channel is to bring the wonderful Elliott wave theory and try to say how we can practically use the Elliott wave theory in our real-time charts. That's the only intention, because I know more traders and my fellow traders, my friends, that who love the Elliott wave theory, but because of it's having an implied complexity, they're not able to use the theory in the real life trading and investment. So to minimize and to resolve that complexity, I started this channel. So I don't want to change my intention. So I come up with new and more Elliott wave practical learnings with a lot of charts. I will show you a lot of examples of a practical approach of Elliott waves in coming days. So kindly subscribe the channel for more Elliott wave learnings. Definitely no theory. I'm going to share only the practical approach of Elliott wave. So that's my intention of creating this channel. So kindly subscribe the channel and kindly keep supporting. So thank you. Have a good day.